One pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I'm really excited to be bringing you a Thai inspired pork burger on flatbreads with a crunchy salad, and we're going to be cooking all this on the Ninja Grill XL. So let me move you in, I'll talk you through the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. But before we do this, make sure you head over to my Ninja Foodie World Facebook page, smash that thumbs up and make sure you are subscribing to the channel and you are hitting that bell for notifications of when I release a new video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's dish and how you're going to make it. First of all, we have 500 gram of pork mince. This is lean, low fat pork mince. 2 flatbreads, or you could use pita bread. We have some Thai paste. This is my ploy Thai paste and this is what it looks like. Some dark soy, you can use light if you like. Fish sauce, some sliced pineapple, some mayonnaise, some sweet chili sauce. Then for the salad we've got some red cabbage, a red onion, carrot, spring onions, red and green chilli, 2 limes, coriander and some mint. So let's put all this together and let's create the burger. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some of this paste. It comes in a tub like this and you just scoop it out to add as much heat, little or more as you like. So I'm going to add quite a lot. And then this leftover paste, I'm going to use this to mix with the mayonnaise. The leftover I'm going to mix with this mayonnaise to make a Thai mayonnaise sauce to go on the actual burger itself. Dead easy. And again, you can alter the heat of this by adding more or less of the Thai paste, like so. Then with the meat, all we're going to do is we're going to get in with your hands, mix all of this in. Then once it's like that, we're going to divide this by 4. So we've got 500 gram of mince, so looking for 125 gram per burger, and it only has to be roughly. Then all we're going to do is flatten these out, not too thin. We're going to be putting 2 of these on each one. So I'll wash my hands and then we'll get them on the grill cooking. But before we put the burgers on, because obviously the grill's going to be quite noisy, I'm going to run through doing the salad first because the burgers won't take that long to cook. So the main bulk is going to be red cabbage, and we're just going to slice some of this off in half. Okay, and then just nice and thin. You can do this if you have a food processor. The idea is you just want it as thin as you can. then some onion, just slicing it nice and thin. Then we'll have carrot, just peeling it, and then I'm going to cut it at an angle. And each of these we're going to cut. Give it a nice sort of shape. And all that is going in. So really, you've just got a coleslaw there. Then what we're going to add is some spring onions, which I've already washed. Again, just at an angle. Some chopped coriander and some mint. Some chilli, red and green, and they're going straight in as well. Then we're going to add the zest of 2 limes. This grate is a little bit coarse for doing this, but it'll be very limey. Okay, so the zest, and then we're going to add the juice. I'm just going to squeeze this into my hand just in case there's any pips. I don't think there is in these ones. And this lime's going to give it a really sort of fragrant, fresh zing to it. There we go. Then we're going to go in with some fish sauce and some soy sauce. So fish sauce about a teaspoonful, and about 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. And then we're just going to toss all this together to create a really nice, fragrant salad to go with the burgers. And you've got to say, wow, look at the colour. The colour looks amazing in this. And the flavour is going to be great as well. Okay, onto the burgers. So we're going to turn the Ninja grill on. I want to come around so I can see what I'm doing. Let's get the grill on to preheat. So I'm going to press grill, and I'm going to leave it on high, and I'm going to up the temperature to or time even to 12 minutes, and then I'm going to press start, and I'm going to allow this to preheat, and when it beeps we're then going to add the burgers and the pineapple. Okay, so you've just heard the Ninja beep. Open it up. I'm going to add the burgers. And I'm going to add the pineapple rings. just pushing these to make sure that they are on the bottom, because I want them to get some nice char marks. And then I'm going to close the lid, and it's going to start cooking for its 12 minutes. It'll ask me to flip halfway through, and we've reached the halfway point. You just heard the ninja beep. It's now asking us to flip, so let's open it up. And already these are looking superb. Got some nice grill marks on the burgers. And let's just turn the pineapple over. I'm just going to move those two about just to avoid any hot spots. And we're going to close the lid for another couple of minutes when we're going to add the bread, just to toast it up, and we're going to then cut a pocket into these ready to serve. We have 4 minutes left, or just under 3.5 minutes, and what I've decided to do, I'm going to cut one of these flatbreads in half, so we end up with 2 pockets, and I'm just going to put this on top of the pineapple. That'll give it a bit of steam whilst it's cooking in the Ninja grill. There we have again the Ninja beep to say that the 12 minutes is over, and I'll take the bread off. I'm just going to use a little knife just to open that pocket up. Like so. And then we're going to get 2 of these burgers, and what we're going to do, we're going to put a piece of pineapple on each one. I love cut pineapple. Are you in the fan of the pineapple brigade or not? Let me know in the comments below. Lovely. And then what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to get some of this mayonnaise that we mixed earlier. Just spread that liberally into the pocket. And then we're going to go in with the burgers. And I'll just slide that pineapple in to go with the burger. Then we're going to arrange these on the plate. And they look so good. I'm going to get some of the salad. Make sure you give it another mix up, get some of that nice sauce that we've created out of the lime juice and that soy sauce and the fish sauce. So we have a lime, so I'm just going to take the end off and then cut it at a slight angle. And that gives us, should sit on the plate nicely to give us a nice sort of wedge, like so. And then each of the burgers can have just a little bit of chilli on. And maybe a little bit more on the salad. And then I've got some fresh mint, just to add another vibrant sort of green splash. And then we could of course add another splash of this mayonnaise we mixed up, and some sweet chilli sauce just for dipping into. Wow. There we have the finished dish. Picture next to me, let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried anything like this in the Ninja? Give me your ideas. What would you do instead of this? So I'm going to have a little taste. Why not? Be rude not to. So straight in. That was a big bite. The spiciness of the chilli, cooled down a little bit with the grilled pineapple, but the meat itself is really tender and juicy. The bread's dead soft. And let's have a little bit of the salad. Dead crunchy, full of flavour, and my, it's got a kick to it with the amount of chilli I've put in it. Fantastic. You could even just give a little squirt of the lime over top just to finish as well. Wow. So if you've liked what you've seen, guys, make sure you're giving me that thumbs up. Heading over to Ninja Foodie World, come and say hello. You can add all your own ninja cooking pictures and recipes on there too. And obviously, most important, make sure you are hitting that subscribe and you are hitting the bell for notifications of when I release a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching everyone.
One pizza too many.